Mike Fox with Window Repair Systems and Window Hardware Direct. And today I'm going to be talking about spiral balances. So here's just a few examples, and this is a 5/8 tilt window balance. And this usually just goes into a shoe such as this one in the sash. And the next spiral balance is a non-tilt. This is another 5/8 inch. And with this one, you have usually an adapter bracket that you hook onto this and you screw it on underneath the sash. And this is a 3/8 inch spiral balance, and this one is for a tilt as well. So I'm sure you've seen some of these in some of your windows. And this is the tilt window tool. It's got these two little hooks on the end. So you hook it onto the bottom of the balance and you pull it down and you tension the spiral that way. And then you pop it into the shoe where the little teeth are, right here, and pop the sash back in. Now this is a non-tilt tool. It's just got one hook, and this hooks onto the bottom into the hole right here. And this way you can pull it down and hook it underneath the sash. So that is just a real basic overview of spiral balances. Please check out windowhardwaredirect.com for all of the hardware needs.